Are you struggling with sleepless nights, tossing and turning in bed, unable to quiet your racing thoughts? You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide suffer from insomnia or other sleep disorders. Meditation is a practice that has been used for thousands of years to calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote inner peace. It involves focusing your attention on a specific object, sound, or sensation, which can help you enter a deep state of relaxation and promote better sleep. In this video, we'll explore some tips for beginners who want to try meditation for sleep. Before we dive into the tips, let's take a moment to understand what meditation is and how it works. Meditation is the act of training the mind to focus on the present moment, without judgment or distraction. It involves slowing down the mental chatter and developing a sense of awareness of your thoughts and feelings. This practice can be done in various ways, such as focusing on your breath, repeating a mantra, or using guided imagery. Meditation has been shown to have many benefits for mental and physical health, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving memory and focus, and even reducing symptoms of depression. When it comes to sleep, meditation can help calm the mind, reduce racing thoughts, and ease anxiety, which can lead to more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Tips for meditation for sleep. Find a quiet and comfortable place to meditate. It could be a corner of your bedroom, a quiet park, or a dedicated meditation space in your home. Set a regular time for meditation. Consistency is key when it comes to building a meditation practice. Try to meditate at the same time every day, ideally in the evening, before bedtime. Use a guided meditation app or audio. If you're new to meditation, using a guided meditation app or audio can help you stay focused and on track. There are many apps available, such as Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer, which offer guided meditations specifically for sleep. Focus on your breath. One of the simplest and most effective meditation techniques is to focus on your breath. Sit or lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. When your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the act of being present in the moment, without judgment or distraction. During your meditation practice, try to observe your thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. Notice any physical sensations in your body and simply acknowledge them without judgment. Experiment with different techniques. There are many different types of meditation, such as visualization, mantra meditation, and body scan meditation. Experiment with different techniques to find what works best for you. Be patient and persistent. Like any new habit, meditation takes time and effort to develop. Be patient with yourself and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep practicing, and you'll start to see the benefits over time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.